Imagine, just for a moment, that your body is a high-performance engine. For this engine to run, it needs fuel, but more importantly, it needs a way to get rid of the exhaust. Deep within your abdomen, tucked under your rib cage, are two bean-shaped organs no larger than a computer mouse that serve as your internal filtration system. Every single hour, your kidneys process all the blood in your body multiple times, sifting through nearly 150 quarts of fluid a day to remove metabolic waste, excess salts, and environmental toxins. But here is the terrifying reality that most people ignore until it's far too late. Your kidneys are silent sufferers. Unlike a toothache that keeps you awake or a strained muscle that throbs with every step, your kidneys don't scream when they are failing. They simply wither in silence. By the time the average person notices the warning signs, the persistent fatigue, the swollen ankles, the foamy urine, or the metallic taste in the mouth, up to 60% of kidney function may already be gone. Right now, we are living in a world that is essentially designed to break your filters. Our modern diet is saturated with hidden salts that skyrocket blood pressure, processed sugars that scar the delicate nephrons, and chemical preservatives that force your kidneys to work in an emergency state 24 hours a day. It's no wonder that 1 in 7 adults is currently living with chronic kidney disease, many of them heading toward the life-altering reality of dialysis without even knowing it. But today, I am going to reveal a powerful, science-backed way to fight back. We are moving beyond the pharmacy and into your kitchen. I am going to show you the top 4 snacks that act as a biological flush, designed to pull toxins out of your tissues and give your kidneys the breathing room they need to repair and regenerate. These aren't exotic superfoods from the rainforest. They are accessible, affordable, and likely sitting on your grocery shelf right now. However, most people eat them the wrong way, or they pair them with ingredients that cancel out their benefits. Stay with me, because snack number 3 is the ultimate replacement for salty cravings, and snack number 4 is the stealth repairman that most doctors never even mention. Snack number 1. Pumpkin seeds. Let's start with a snack that is often overlooked in the health community, pumpkin seeds. For years, people with kidney concerns were told to avoid all nuts and seeds because of their high phosphorus and potassium content. But modern nutritional science has revealed a crucial distinction. While some nuts are indeed hard on compromised kidneys, pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of magnesium, a mineral that is the master regulator of blood pressure. Why does this matter? Because high blood pressure is the number 2 cause of kidney failure worldwide. When your blood pressure is high, the blood slams into your microscopic kidney filters like a high-pressure power washer hitting a delicate silk screen. Over time, this pressure causes scarring known as glomerulosclerosis. Magnesium helps the walls of your blood vessels relax, effectively lowering the water pressure in your internal plumbing. Furthermore, pumpkin seeds contain unique plant sterols and antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids. These compounds act like a soothing balm for the renal arteries, reducing the oxidative stress that leads to inflammation. But here is the secret to making them work. You must choose the raw, unsalted variety. The hidden sodium in roasted seeds will counteract the magnesium and cause fluid retention. The ideal way to enjoy this is to take 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds in the late afternoon. This provides a steady release of plant protein without the acid ash produced by animal proteins like beef or pork. Animal protein forces the kidneys to work overtime to neutralize acid, but the plant protein in pumpkin seeds is alkaline forming, essentially giving your kidneys a day off while still providing the fuel your body needs. Snack number 2, red bell peppers. When we think of snacks, we often reach for something crunchy like chips or crackers. These are the silent killers of the renal system because they are essentially salt delivery vehicles. If you want to repair your kidneys, you need a crunchy alternative that actually heals, and that is the red bell pepper. Red bell peppers are unique because they are incredibly low in potassium, which is the mineral that kidneys struggle to process when they are under stress. Most vegetables are potassium heavy, but the red bell pepper is a renal safe superstar. Beyond being low in potassium, they are packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as folic acid and fiber. Lycopene, the antioxidant that gives them their vibrant red color, has been shown in studies to protect against certain types of renal cell damage. Think of vitamin C as the fire extinguisher of the body. Chronic kidney disease is, at its core, a disease of chronic inflammation. The vitamin C in red bell peppers helps neutralize the free radicals that circulate in your blood, preventing them from scratching the interior of your filters. To maximize the repair effect, don't just eat them raw. Slice them up and dip them into a small amount of homemade hummus, which we will talk about later. This combination provides a slow burn energy that keeps your blood sugar stable. Stable blood sugar is vital because glucose spikes act like tiny shards of glass in your bloodstream, shredding the delicate nephrons of your kidneys. By snacking on red bell peppers, you are essentially armoring your filters against the damage of the modern diet. Snack number 3, blueberries. If there's a king of kidney repair fruits, it is the blueberry. Blueberries are a medical marvel for the renal system because of a specific group of antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are the pigments that give the berries their deep blue hue, but inside your body, they perform a much more important task. Studies have shown that anthocyanins can actually improve the eGFR, the estimated glomerular filtration rate, which is the primary measure of how well your kidneys are working. When your kidneys are toxic, they become clogged with uremic waste. The antioxidants in blueberries help to break down these waste products in the blood before they even reach the kidneys, effectively acting as a pre-filter. Blueberries are also naturally low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them the safest fruit choice for anyone worried about kidney longevity. The secret trick is to eat them frozen or fresh, but never in a pre-made fruit cup or syrup, which is loaded with high fructose corn syrup, a major driver of kidney stones and uric acid buildup. For a powerful golden flush snack, mix half a cup of blueberries with a small serving of unsweetened Greek yogurt. The probiotics in the yogurt work through the gut-kidney axis to help your intestines process nitrogen and urea, taking even more of the toxic load off your kidneys and allowing them the time and energy they need to heal. Snack number 4, cauliflower. Finally, we have snack number 4, cauliflower. You might not think of cauliflower as a snack, but it is the ultimate stealth repairman for your kidneys. One of the biggest burdens on our kidneys is our consumption of high potassium starches like potatoes. Cauliflower is the perfect renal replacement. It is high in vitamin C, K, and folate, and it is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like indoles, glucosinolates, and thiocyanates. These compounds help the liver neutralize toxins so that the kidneys don't have to deal with them later. The best way to use cauliflower as a repair snack is to make cauliflower bites. Lightly steam florets, then toss them in a small amount of olive oil and turmeric. We know that turmeric is the king of anti-inflammatories, and when paired with the fiber in cauliflower, it helps to move toxins out of the digestive tract and away from the bloodstream. This reduces the concentration of creatinine and urea in your blood. By choosing cauliflower over processed grains or starchy snacks, you are lowering the osmotic pressure in your kidneys, which prevents the leaking of protein into your urine, a hallmark sign of kidney damage. Now, I promise to reveal the one daily habit that determines whether these snacks actually work, and it is your sleep hydration rhythm. Most people make the mistake of chugging water all day and then stopping right before bed to avoid bathroom trips. This is actually counterproductive for kidney repair. Your kidneys do their most intensive deep cleaning while you sleep. If you are dehydrated at night, your blood becomes thicker and more viscous, making it much harder for your kidneys to filter out the toxins you've pulled from your snacks. The secret is to drink 8 ounces of warm lemon water 1 hour before bed and 8 ounces immediately upon waking. The citrate in the lemon prevents stone formation, while the slow drip hydration ensures that your kidneys have enough fluid volume to flush out the urea and creatinine they've processed overnight. If you don't provide this fluid, the toxins simply recirculate in your system, and the benefits of your healthy snacks are lost. Your kidneys are remarkably resilient. They want to heal, and they are designed to regenerate if you stop slamming them with the wrong fuel. By swapping out your salty, sugary, and processed snacks for pumpkin seeds, red bell peppers, blueberries, and cauliflower, you aren't just eating, you are performing a biological rescue mission. You are giving your silent heroes the tools they need to keep you vibrant, energetic, and off the dialysis machine for decades to come. Thank you for taking this step toward your health today. If you found this information life-saving, please hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. We are on a mission to help 1 million people reclaim their vitality through natural, science-backed nutrition. Comment below with the word health if you are committing to trying one of these snacks this week. I read every single comment, and I am here to support you on your journey. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I will see you in the next video.